everyone. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done, everyone. Are you ready for some phonics today? We've got Snowy. Should we say hello to Snowy first? He's got his box. Can you say hello to everyone, Snowy? He's giving you a wave. Snowy, have you got some things in your box for us today? He has, boys and girls. Are you ready to find out what's in Snowy's box? Sing with me then. Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, boys and girls. Oh, it's moving around. Oh, look what this is. Do you know what this is, everybody? Open it up so you can actually see. It's a green leaf and it's called lettuce. Lettuce. And you can put it in sandwiches, you can have it in salads. It's lettuce, so we eat it. My turn. Lettuce. Your turn. My turn again. Lettuce. Your turn again. Well done, everyone. So Snowy's going to have a sandwich later on with some lettuce in there. Put the lettuce nice and close to him. Should we sing and find out what else is in the box? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Box is moving around. Oh, what's this, everybody? It's a lid. We put it on top of a pot or a pan. Mummies and daddies do when they're cooking. It's a lid. My turn. Lid. Your turn. My turn again. Lid. Your turn again. Well done, everyone. Pop that at the side here near the lettuce. So we've got lettuce and a lid. I wonder what else is inside his box. Shall we find out? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. There's only a couple more things in here. Oh, do you know what this is, everybody? Mummies and daddies use this when they're dishing things out. It's called a ladle. Ladle. It's like a really big spoon. My turn. Ladle. Your turn. My turn again. Ladle. Your turn again. Well done, everybody. Oh, I'm already hungry. I wonder what I could eat later on. Maybe some curry. I can get it out with my ladle. We'll keep that safe here as well. So Snowy now has a ladle, lid and lettuce. There's one last thing in the box before it's empty. Should we see what it is? Let's sing our song. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. There's only one thing. Oh, it's very small, everybody. Let's have a look. So I have to pull it open, and when I pull it open, it looks like this. This is lipstick. So some of your mummies might wear it, aunties, adults might wear it. Lipstick. My turn. Lipstick. Your turn. My turn again. Lipstick. Your turn again. Well done. So in Snowy's box today we had lipstick, a ladle, lid and some lettuce. So let's put all these things onto Snowy's box with snowy. So today's sound, boys and girls, was oh. And it's a long sound and it's a bit of a funny sound. Just pop that there. Pop the ladle across. We'll put the lipstick at the front here. It's a long sound. When we make it, my tongue goes at the top of my roof of my mouth and behind my teeth. L, 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 l. So ladle, lettuce, lid, lipstick, lips. Have a go at practicing that sound. I hope you enjoyed phonics today. I think we should let's give ourselves a wiggle jiggle. Ready? Well done me. Well done everybody. Remember, only one video a day and I'll see you again for some more phonics soon. Can we say bye bye Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done. Can we say bye bye everyone? Your turn. Well done everyone. See you again soon. Bye bye.